Alright, hey guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to set up the bundle RP kit. So before we start, please make sure that your API and your HTTP requests is turned on. This is very important. Okay, so to begin, we have to put all of these in, we have to ungroup all of these into the required location. So for example, the tool should go into the starter pack. And replicated storage. Server script. Server storage. Start a GUI. Okay. To the workspace. This has to go into your teams. So if you haven't already made your teams, please do make your teams and just paste this into the teams. There we go. Okay, so let's just test this to make sure that it is functional. Okay, so the ATM does not work. Okay, so we have to get a product ID for the ATM in order for it to work. So what you would have to do is go to your creator dashboard, underneath the experience that you are using. So I'm using this one here. You have to go to the developer products and you just have to create. So I'll just create one for like 1K, then 10 Robux maybe. Uh, Copy asset ID, and then back over here to replicated storage, the ATM. Over here where it says dev products and the numbers and stuff. Okay, so for the 1K, I have this here. Okay, once you are finished setting up your dev products, and you put them in the cart location. Okay, and please make sure to set your prices on the dev products. So for the price of Robux, make sure to set that. Um, let's try it now. Okay, so see the ATM works now, so I could get that. See the purchase works. Okay, that is perfect. Okay. So that is it for the ATM. Let's move on to the vehicle spawner. So you have to head over to the vehicle spawner, and this is why you need to make your teams because you're gonna need it now. So underneath the dealership setup, you wanna rename these to your team. So Billion, and then we have codes, right? And we're gonna use this as a test vehicle just for now. So take it and put this into the vehicle. And this here where you see ungroup inside the vehicle, you want to open this up and you want to put that into the frontier, well, into the vehicle. And in this config is where you can configure the prices. So I just want to put this for like, let's say 200. In this config is where you can put like, there's I would show you in a second, there's like details in this corner so you can show what's the top speed of the vehicle and how much horsepower it has. Here you can make the vehicle a game pass. So let's test the vehicle spawner now and see if it works. right? So the vehicle spawner works. So, so okay, the vehicle did not show. Okay, there. I already have the vehicle purchased, so it will show up here, but your vehicle should show here. Um, as you can see, this is what I mean. It has the top speed, it has the horsepower. Let's check colors. Okay, so the colors aren't working because I have it set high, but as you can see, the spawner works. Um, to set your colors, let's you have to go into the vehicle's body and where it's set, it says color here. You have to make sure that all of these here are set to they are named to color. All of these have to be color. Cut this and put that. Let's try it red again. And there we go. As you can see, the vehicle changed color and stuff. Okay, so that is pretty much it for the vehicle spawner. Okay, and so for the paycheck system, you can configure it. So, or you can put your bank name or whatever. So, let's. So over here we have the notification type. So I'm gonna go through both of them with you. So regular paycheck, this is 1 minute. Okay. So could I put this in like seconds? So okay, so we're just gonna wait until we get the paycheck. So um, okay, so as you can see, the paycheck we have just received $500. So that is notification one. Um, what's that for? Two, notification two. So over here, you can also configure this. So okay, let's say I want 1,500 as a regular payment for the team. And yeah, so it's gonna pay me 1,500 every 1 minute. And over here we can configure the team. So over here we have civilian 2. This could be your next team. And over here is an increase team. So the increase is actually a game pass. So you have to create a game pass for the players to get an increased paycheck. But yeah, let's moving on to notification type 2. Okay, and here is notification 2. So yeah, and I believe that is it for the paycheck system. Okay, moving on, we have the display. So that is this here. So over here, okay, so wait, let me show you down here. Well, okay, it works. So over here we have an area where you can get cash and stuff. So I show you guys similar with the ATM. It's the same process with the dev product IDs and stuff. Over here we have a store where we could get like game passes. We could get vehicle. This is mainly game passes. And over here we have where an area where we can like switch teams and stuff. So if I don't want to be a civilian anymore, I want to be a police, I could click here and switch to the team. So if you don't want the team, you could disable it. You could just come over here into this settings config and you just want to delete true and replace it with full, just like that. But yeah. Also, your same product IDs and stuff, you just want to paste them back into the required locations. And down here is where you put your game passes. Yeah, that is it for the display. So, the overhead. Okay, so let's see if the overhead works. I'm not sure if the overhead is working. Okay, so let's go over another line. Okay, so unfortunately the overhead GUI is not currently working. I'll see if I can get a fix for it as soon as possible and release this. But lastly, we have the license. So like, I can't really show you guys the license, but like, um, yeah. So you just have to like click on another player and it will show the player the license. Um, but yeah, that is it for the bundle RP kit, guys. If you guys require any more help or support, please feel free to contact us.